Is your IT too slow-paced for your fast-paced construction business? Hi everybody, Matt with System7. I imagine if you're watching this video, you're probably feeling the weight of having to manage a ton of projects while also making sure that your business is running smoothly. I haven't met a ton of owners in the construction or architecture field that wasn't deeply involved in the delivery of projects. And that typically means that the technology side of the business is only front of mind when there are problems. And that slows you down in a business in which you can't slow down. So a good question you should probably be asking is, what does good IT look like in the construction or build or architecture space? Today, I'm going to answer that question for you, and I'll explain how System7's limitless managed IT service is specifically tailor-made for your business. Regardless of size, running a construction-based company is no small task. And unless you've been in the industry, it's hard to understand the dynamic nature of what your day-to-day looks like. Everybody says they work in a fast-paced environment, but you know that there are levels to this, and your business is running at light speed. It's important that your IT company knows this and commits to working at the pace your company works at. And it's also critical for your IT company to really understand how you make your money. Projects are at the center of everything that you do. Your sales team needs to be able to get pricing quickly in order to quote projects, and they've got to be able to communicate effectively in order to win business. Your project coordinators need to be able to communicate effectively in order to deliver on your projects. And you've got to be able to invoice and do your purchasing very quickly in order to actually protect the margins on the projects that you've sold. My point is that your staff, your processes, every bit of your technology needs to be built on moving projects forward. And if your IT company isn't helping you move your projects forward, they're not doing the job you need them to do. So let's talk about invoicing. I bet right now, as you're watching this, you're doing some version of selling or managing or invoicing or trying to collect money on a project. In fact, you're probably doing some version of all of that. Your system should be built to protect your margins, invoicing quickly and also updating systems so that you know you have the money to move forward on a project today. If you're relying on manual updates from people in your staff to tell you that you're able to move forward on a project, then those manual updates eventually leads to a ball getting dropped. And we all know that when a ball is dropped, you get to bite the bullet. You have to cover the cost. If your IT company isn't taking the responsibility to help you protect your margins, move your projects forward, get your invoicing done, then they're not honestly interested in helping you make or save money. Let's talk purchasing. If you're ever going to make a profit, you have to buy your materials and your services quickly and in a coordinated way that makes sure that you're not overextending yourself financially. And in today's day and age, your technology should absolutely be taking some of that stress off of your plate. And this is where a good IT company should be stepping in and helping you proactively come up with solutions, not waiting for a project to go south or for you to lose money to find out, oh, we should have done something about this. The reality is that in your fast-paced work environment, you require fast-paced support. Your frontline staff, from sales to project coordination to administrators, they should have somebody that they can call or email and get help right now without having to go to you first. And when it's needed, IT people should be showing up on site to fix your problems, and they shouldn't be acting like they're too good to actually come show face. Your managers should also have a manager within the IT company that helps them with management issues. They should have a relationship with the management of your IT company. And you should be getting support from somebody that understands what's important to a business owner. You should not just be getting support from a help desk. You and all of your staff should like the IT people that you're dealing with. It's not a lot to ask. In fact, if they don't like your IT people, chances are your IT people don't actually care about your company. And here's where System7's limitless managed IT comes in. Just like all the levels of your business are built around projects, all of the levels of our business are built around supporting the people in your company. Our job is to take over all of the technology and communications, and we're really good at this. We will save you money over hiring an in-house IT staff. And we'll also consolidate all of your technology and communications bills into a single invoice. And we're gonna come in the door with a fully developed stack, both software and processes built around Microsoft 365 and your project software. In fact, we're already able to provide you with a plan of attack to standardize your hardware and your software and your employee processes. We'll track and manage your inventory. We'll even let you know that computers are going to need to be replaced before they actually need to be replaced. In short, we already know how to take care of you in your environment, in the processes and softwares you're already using today. And this is just a tiny fraction of what Limitless IT actually is for you. In fact, click the link below and look at the feature sheet of all of the things that is included with Limitless Managed IT. If you're already paying for IT support and phone service and internet service and networking equipment, you should reach out to us. We'll show you how you could be getting honestly superior service built for your company for the same amount of money that you're paying today. And if we can't save you money and improve your life, if we're not the right fit for you, we'll tell you, we'll be honest. And hell, we'll help you find a partner that is a good fit for you. And before you leave, please hit the like and subscribe button. You get to see the next videos that we put out, and it also helps us build our network, which we really are grateful for. Thanks everybody, and good luck.